Hello and welcome back to another Froala tutorial. Froala has long supported advanced image editing through the TUI image editor plugin. However, the TUI library doesn't seem to have much activity lately, with no active maintenance or updates. That can be a real risk for anyone building it on long term. In Froala 5.2, we introduced a modern and professionally supported alternative, the FileRobot image editor plugin. FileRobot is an actively maintained image editor that integrates directly into Froala, giving your users a full suite of image editing tools without ever leaving the editor interface. With it, your users can insert annotations, which include adding text, arrows, shapes, and callouts to highlight important details. They can also apply professional filters to enhance image appearance and mood. Furthermore, they can adjust dimensions precisely to meet layout requirements. Of course, rotating, flipping, and cropping images are all part of the plugin. Lastly, users can protect their images with custom watermarks and branding. Using FileRobot inside Froala is straightforward. Once the plugin is active, select any image in your content, and you'll notice a new Advanced Edit button appear in the image pop-up. Click it, and the FileRobot editor opens right there in your interface. So, as said earlier, you don't need separate tools or tabs to make this work. From there, make whatever edits you need. Annotate a screenshot, apply a filter, or resize an image for your layout. And when you're done, hit save. The updated image is reflected in your editor instantly, and every change is preserved. Getting this set up is pretty straightforward, as there are just 3 steps. First, include the FileRobot image editor script in your HTML page as a dependency. Next, include Froala's FileRobot plugin files, both the JS script and the CSS link. Finally, add image FileRobot to the plugins enabled option when initializing your Froala editor instance. Before you go, here are a few things worth knowing. If you're currently using the TUI image editor, you don't need to migrate immediately. It still works. However, we do strongly recommend exploring FileRobot for any new implementations and considering it as your migration path going forward, given its active development and long-term support. And if you need even more advanced image capabilities beyond what FileRobot offers, things like OCR, smart cropping, image optimization, or content safety detection, among others, Froala also supports the Filestack plugin, which covers these more complex workflows. Finally, the FileRobot plugin is customizable. For example, you can change the color palette of the editing interface, replace the font, and hook into specific events like FileRobot.opened to extend behavior further. All in all, the FileRobot integration is Froala's commitment to keeping advanced image editing powerful, stable, and actively supported without interrupting your users' workflow. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Froala content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.